Look at it. It's a big buck. How many points has it got on it?
It got 6, but it broke 2. About
6 points, but it's got two. One of them broke off.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, it's a big one.
Going down.
Oh, look at its ears. Yeah. Well, ain't that something? You shot it with a bow? Wow. Yep. Well, it's big, ain't it? It's got long legs. Yep. You'll have to get him skinned out so he don't ruin. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Well, my husband just got back with 2 huge boxes of the deer meat that I guess got packaged up. Okay, so our first time seeing it. So we took the deer to a local place here in Bologna to have the meat tested and processed. And so here's what we're getting. This is jalapeno and cheese summer sausage. This is processed by Cypress Valley Meat Company, and that meat company is out of Pottsville, Arkansas, but they have one located here in Bologna, which is where we took ours. So that's neat. They process it, put the stickers on there, and here's what that looks like. Again, this is jalapeno and cheese. So I don't know how good the lighting is in here. Let me see if I can put it over here where you can see it better. So that looks good. All right. This here's a deer tenderloin. Oh, that's pretty. Got another deer tenderloin. Big back strap. These are packaged in, this is a deer steak. Yeah. Got several deer steaks.
That looks good, don't it?
Look here.
Yeah. This is
Look
deer
at
tenderloin.
Here, this is a steak.
Steak.
Well, this whole thing is packaged up with steak. And this here is deer burger. Well, that burger looks good.
Yeah.
Look at that.
He's got that looking good.
Yeah, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
So,
Looking good.
yeah, they process that nice. Looky there.
Yeah.
That's that nice deer burger.
Yeah.
Got several packages of it. And several deer steaks. Lots of burger meat. Beautiful deer tenderloin. Isn't that beautiful? Got a beautiful deer tenderloin. So let me put this over here and open up this other box so we can look in it. Yeah, beautiful deer tenderloin. Get this other box opened up. If I can. Tapes. Get that opened up. Got another huge box here. Filled with deer burger. Wow, it's a lot of deer burger. I think this whole box is full of deer burger. Wow, it is a whole box. This whole box here, that's a big box, is filled up with deer burger. So we got deer burger, deer steak, and the deer tenderloin. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to see the results of my husband's first deer kill. Well, we got everything in our freezer, believe it or not. It all fit in here, and then we had to put the rest of it in this little freezer over here. So everything's fit. We got the rest of it in this freezer here. So all the hamburger meat fit inside. Guys, have a beautiful rest of your day.